Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can appear offline on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device, log in using your account, and you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Now tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the hamburger menu at top right corner of your screen. Select Settings and Privacy, then scroll down and select Message and Story Replies section. Then go to the activity status and make sure it is turned off. You can also access this setting by searching for it in the search bar at the top of the screen. And that's how you can appear offline on Instagram. Hope you like the video. Thanks.